everyone. My name is Lori. I run Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. You can follow me there. Thank you for letting me join the coloring collaboration. I'm currently in hospice care for end-stage renal disease, so I do a lot of coloring, and I also do diamond painting. Right now I'm coloring out of this book, the Color Me Blessed book, and let me find the page I'm working on. I'm working on this page, and it says, "Have patience, God isn't finished yet." So I just started this a few days ago, so I'm working on that, and in between times I am working on this very large diamond painting. I've got it about almost halfway done. I up to here, and this is something I really like to do. Sorry about the motorcycle going by. So yeah, my spare time I love to do the diamond painting as well as the coloring. So thank you so much for letting me join the collaboration. I'm sorry I was late getting this posted. My uploads will depend on how I'm feeling and if I'm up to posting or not, and I wasn't up to posting yesterday, so thank you for bearing with me. Thank you for letting me join the collaboration, and I hope to get to know all of you a little bit better. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now, and hopefully I will have the coloring page finished by this next Monday. So I always sign off by saying, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye!